Have you ever been in a situation where your business is booming, your Vagaro account is humming along, and then life happens? Maybe you're planning an extended vacation, facing an unexpected personal matter, or perhaps you're even considering a temporary shift in your professional focus. Whatever the reason, a common question pops into mind. Can I pause my Vagaro account? It's a question that echoes through the minds of many salon owners, fitness instructors, spa managers, and independent beauty professionals who rely on Vagaro for their daily operations. We've all been there, that moment when you need flexibility, when the rhythm of your business needs to adapt to the rhythm of your life. So, can you simply hit a pause button and pick up right where you left off when you're ready to resume? Let's dive deep into this very practical, very important query and explore what Vagaro offers in terms of account management for those times when you need a break. First, it's crucial to understand that Vagaro is designed to be a robust, continuous service for businesses. It's built on a subscription model, providing ongoing access to its suite of tools, from scheduling and point of sale to marketing and reporting. Think of it like a gym membership or a streaming service. You subscribe for continuous access to the benefits. This fundamental design is important because it shapes how account pausing is handled. While there isn't a literal pause button that freezes your account, keeps all your data intact, and then seamlessly reactivates it at no cost for a period, Vagaro does offer solutions for businesses that need to step away temporarily. These solutions primarily involve two approaches: downgrading your account or canceling and reactivating. Let's talk about downgrading first. This is often the preferred option for those who anticipate needing a break for a shorter duration or want to retain some level of access to their data and client information without incurring the full subscription cost. Vagaro's pricing structure is modular, meaning you can add or remove features and users as your business needs evolve. If you're going to be away for a month or two, downgrading might be the most sensible path. You could, for instance, reduce your plan to the most basic level, which would significantly lower your monthly fee while still keeping your client database, service lists, and product inventory largely intact. This allows you to avoid the more complex process of a full cancellation and reactivation. When you're ready to fully resume, you simply upgrade your plan back to your desired level, and all your previous settings and data will be there waiting for you. This approach minimizes disruption and ensures a smoother transition back into full operation. However, it's important to be aware of what downgrading entails. While it saves you money, certain features might become unavailable depending on the tier you choose. For example, advanced marketing tools, multiple staff logins, or specific reporting functionalities might be limited or removed. You'll need to weigh the cost savings against the features you temporarily lose access to. The beauty of this, though, is that it's designed for flexibility. Vagaro understands that businesses have fluctuating needs, and the ability to scale your plan up or down is a testament to that understanding. Now, let's consider the more significant step: cancellation and reactivation. This option is typically for businesses that anticipate a longer hiatus, perhaps several months or even a year, or those who are unsure about their return date. If you decide to cancel your Vagaro account, your subscription will end at the end of your current billing cycle. During this grace period, you'll still have access to your account. However, once the billing cycle concludes, your account will become inactive. What happens to your data when you cancel? This is a crucial point to understand. Vagaro, like most reputable cloud-based software providers, has data retention policies. While your account becomes inactive, your data isn't immediately purged. Vagaro generally retains your data for a certain period, often around 90 days, to allow for easy reactivation. This is a lifesaver if you have a change of heart or your plans shift unexpectedly. Within this window, you can reactivate your account, and all your client histories, appointments, service lists, product inventory, and financial records should be accessible. It's like putting your business on a deep freeze, not quite a pause, but a temporary suspended state from which it can be revived. Beyond the 90-day mark, however, data retention becomes less certain. While Vagaro aims to support its users, it's not feasible for them to store inactive account data indefinitely. Therefore, if you anticipate a very long break, it's highly recommended to export all critical data before canceling. Vagaro provides tools to export client lists, appointment histories, sales reports, and other vital information. This ensures that even if your account data is eventually removed from their servers, you have a local copy for your records and for seamless re-entry into the Vagaro ecosystem if and when you decide to return. Think of it as backing up your business's brain before a long nap. The process for both downgrading and canceling is typically straightforward and can be managed directly through your Vagaro account settings or by contacting their customer support. Vagaro's support team is generally quite helpful and can guide you through the best option based on your specific circumstances. They can explain the nuances of each choice, clarify data retention policies, and assist with any technical aspects of managing your account status. When making your decision, consider a few key factors. Firstly, the duration of your break. A short break of a few weeks or a month might make downgrading more appealing due to ease of resumption. A longer, indefinite break might lean towards cancellation with data export. Secondly, access to data. Do you need continuous access to your client information or historical data during your break? If so, downgrading to a basic plan might be beneficial. If not, exporting and canceling could be the way to go. Thirdly, cost. Compare the cost of a downgraded plan versus the savings from a full cancellation. Factor in any potential fees for reactivation, though Vagaro generally makes reactivation seamless. And finally, peace of mind. What option gives you the most peace of mind knowing your business data is secure and accessible when you're ready to jump back in? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.